Hi love, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you're new here. I am Mal. I do a lot of reviews, beauty style content on my channel, but today we are focusing on the hair. I don't know if you've seen these pre-everything wigs all over. Sometimes they seem too good to be true. And I've had a bad experience with a totally different company and it was too good to be true. So I am here today to test and try the pre-everything wig from LUVME Hair. We're gonna get into the details of this unit, try it on, and really give an honest opinion on what I think of this hair. So if you want to know more, then keep on watching. Okay, I am so excited to do this hair. This is my natural hair, and one of the main reasons that I wanted to get a wig is because I don't always want to straighten my natural hair, and I also can achieve styles that I just can't do with my natural hair. I'm hoping that the application will be super easy. It is glueless, and that was the main selling point for me because I am not a professional with wigs. I know a little something. There's no tangles. It's not shedding at all so far. The hair quality feels really nice. The silkiness is definitely something that it did claim to have, so I'm happy to feel that it's really soft. This is supposed to be a pre-everything wig, so it's beginner friendly. The only thing I'm gonna have to do is just trim this lace off the front, and essentially I can just throw it on and go. Now they did send me a wig cap with my package here, but this is really dark for me. This will probably work for my mom. I'll save it for her. I personally like going a little bit lighter with my wig caps because naturally my scalp is a little bit lighter. Now if my hair was curly or not pressed out, then I would obviously probably want to do a couple braids or some type of a braid pattern, but my hair gets really flat when it's straight, so this should be just fine. Wig cap is going on. I will say, without even putting it on yet, the cap construction feels really nice. Like, it feels very sturdy. I see lots of combs. I love that there's a band already in here. I personally feel like that first moment when you just put on a wig without doing anything to it is a really telltale sign of how it's gonna look. So I'm nervous, but let's see how it's gonna be. Okay, for just putting her on, literally right out of the package, I didn't even hot comb it yet. Like, she's laying flat. She's looking really, really cute. Because it's not a full lace wig, I'm just gonna take my comb and pull out some of these little side baby hairs. I feel like it just looks more natural. This is a great option if you're doing a color that is similar to your natural color. You can totally get away with this. There's a comb like kind of right before your crown, and I just stuck that in so that the wig doesn't slide. I really appreciate that there's a comb there because this is the area where your wig can start sliding back, and now it feels super secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim off this lace. They actually gave me this little clip, which is gonna be very handy for this. So I'm gonna pin this part of my hair back. In theory, once I cut this off, the wig should pretty much be done. I'm already really liking how this hairline's looking, but moment of truth, let's just go ahead and trim off this lace. I used to do this with razors, but honestly, because it's such a little bit of lace and this is a glueless wig, I feel like it's fine to do it with scissors. Is it giving scalp? I feel like it looks really good actually. Okay, honestly, that's looking really cute. Like, I think she looks really good for being a glueless wig. I'm looking at the viewfinder and I feel like it looks really good there. In person, looks really, really good. Okay, I zoomed you out just a touch so that you can get the full vibes. The shine, my hair could never be this shiny. I am gonna actually go ahead and straighten her just a bit. I want to just kind of sleek it down. First impressions while I straighten the hair is that it feels very nice and it's straightening really, really easily. Look at that, this hair is like silk. One thing about me is I do really enjoy switching up my hairstyles, and I feel like every different hairstyle that I do is like a different version of myself. My hair really has the power to like make or break my day, as sad as that may sound. So I'm just so happy that I have a wig that I'm actually feeling and that literally is so easy to style. Sometimes I do a hot comb at the top, but honestly, I really don't even feel like it's necessary. So I'm just gonna use my straightener to just ever so slightly press down the top. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of this Got To Be spray. Just like a really little bit at the front here. I'm too lazy to get my blow dryer, so I'm literally just gonna use this little fan and hold this down. To smooth the flyaways, I'm just gonna take a little bit of hairspray and just go across the top. The only last little thing that I think I could do, and I don't even know if it's necessary, but I'm just gonna add like a tiny touch of makeup in my part, just like the tiniest bit. I prefer to do powder and not concealer because the powder is a little bit softer. Okay, I just want to like do this with my hair because it looks so silky and so pretty. That literally took minutes. I'm honestly kind of shocked that I'm done already. Like, I feel like my look was instantly elevated with this hair. This calls for a red lip. Okay, I thought I wanted to do a red lip, but I put it on and I like literally filmed the whole rest of the video and I was like, no, I hate it. So I took it off and I'm just taking a little bit more bronzer and just adding a touch on the lace because my forehead is a lot darker than the rest of my face just from naturally tanning. So this bronzer is just making the lace blend perfectly. I do this with pretty much every wig because I feel like it just helps everything to blend a lot better. But yeah, I think that looks so good. I feel really confident with this hair. And I will say that the lace looks really nice, like especially for the price point. I mean, let's be honest, LUVME Hair is an affordable hair company. They're not super expensive. They are for the average person who just wants to look good. And I really appreciate that because I'm a wig girly, but I'm not like ready to drop a bunch of coins on wigs. I just want something that like looks great, affordable, feels silky, isn't gonna tangle. Is that too much to ask for? Anyway, that being said, I'm quite impressed with this hair. I feel like it feels and looks really beautiful and I think it's worth it for the price. I think the lace is good. It's not amazing lace. It's not gonna be like blow your mind, that scalp, but it blends very seamlessly. And the fact that this literally took me about 15 minutes to put on, including cutting the lace and all that good stuff. Like, this is going to be a throw and go wig, which I am so excited for because I just don't have time. I do just want to finish off this look and I feel like I'm missing something, so I'm going to put a little bit of lip color on. I'm going a little dark with this lip color because this hair is giving me like fall vibes. This is a Kylie liquid lipstick in Malibu and it's a really pretty like brown nude. Okay, that is so pretty. And I was gonna do a gloss, but I don't know, I feel like something about fall and like the coming of fall makes me want to do a matte lip. I went ahead and just curled my lashes a little bit and I feel like that is the look and I feel so cute like this. Thank God this hair turned out so beautiful and it was quick to put on because I actually have somewhere to go. I'm going for a date night with my husband and I feel like he's really gonna like this look, so I'll let you know what he thinks. I would love to know if you've tried LUVME Hair before, what your thoughts are on this brand and what you think of my look with this sleek bob. You're gonna see me wearing this a lot in upcoming videos and throughout the fall season because it is just so beautiful and so hassle-free. I want to give a big thanks to LUVME Hair for sponsoring today's video, and honestly they have restored my faith in pre-everything wigs because I've had some bad experiences, but this genuinely feels amazing. And I will say I have ordered from them before, so this is a company I've actually tried and tested, and their hair was beautiful the first time and it still is the second. For anyone who is wondering about my contacts, these are Burnt Butter Hazel from Dimple Color. I'll link those down below along with all the details on this hair, the unit, where you can purchase and all that good stuff. So make sure you check the description bar and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye! Single on the body,